Hey y'all, what's up? It's back with another farming simulator video. I know I haven't posted in a very long time, but here we go. So, as you can see, I already bought a truck. Chose this nice tealish aqua color thing. So, yeah, let's just continue. Okay, so, let's see what we need to buy here. Let's start off with, well, first let me add some money. I did not come prepared for this video, obviously. Let's see, so learn medium tractors. Okay, I guess let's buy our planter and stuff first. So, I say let's go with this John Deere. Yeah, looks good. And cultivators. What do we have for this? Okay, so it's all gonna have to be in game. That will work. Okay. Let's see, what else? Okay, we need tractor now. Let's buy a versatile. A big engine. Okay. I guess I could have probably bought a little bit bigger machinery, but oh well. Sorry that I keep hitting the mic. Let's see here. Let's get a 8770. Okay, this one will work. I say let's get that front attacher. No PTO, but oh well. Yeah, that'll work. Let's get to 8970. There, 8770. Ooh, I kind of like it better with the black rims. Design color. What does that do? Interior color, maybe? I don't know. I don't know, we'll just leave it that. Yeah, this looks all good. Okay, buy that. So, harvesters. I don't know. I'm a Holland and Ford fan, so probably gonna go to Holland. Headers. Is a 41-foot overkill for this combine? I don't think it is, but comment down below if we have comments. I honestly don't know. Header trailer. Okay, now that I've just spent 5 minutes of buying stuff, let's actually get attaching stuff, I guess. Okie dokie. So yeah, just gotta load the header up here on the header page. Most of these mods you can find on the actual farming simulator mod hub thing on the loading page, which is everything. But truck, the versatile, and the TJ trailers, those you cannot find the mod hub. Okay, make sure you guys can hear me. And yeah, let's roll into a time lapse. Hold on. Gotta go shut the combine. And the truck. So, without further ado, let's go into a time lapse.